Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I will talk about Philips Evnia 27M2N5500 monitor. So friend, Evnia introduced a fresh award-winning addition to 5000 gaming monitor series. And friend, it features everything users need to enjoy an electrifying gaming experience and consistently excellent performance while paying greater attention to sustainability. A 27-inch fast IPS panel with QHD resolution, 180 Hz refresh rate up to 0.5 millisecond MPRT and 1 millisecond G2G display HDR 400 and all new environmentally friendly design. The Philips Evnia 27M2N5500 holds a gaming edge with its fast IPS panel, which delivers smooth gameplay and captivating visual by balancing rapid responsiveness and brilliance. Certified with VESA DisplayHDR 400 and supporting 1.07 million colors on high-performance panels with an impressive density and pixel count, this monitor produces astonishing brightness, contrast, and colors with deeper, richer blacks and full palette of vibrant hues. And friend, if I talk about the pricing, it will be available at a price of 239.99 euro. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.